In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Binance Web3 wallet. Now, for us to get this done, the first thing that we're going to do is just head over here to the upper left, and then we're just going to go ahead and open more services. Now that we have opened more services, you should be able to see here Web3 wallet. I want you to go ahead and click that over there. And if you are seeing something like this, it means that your app is outdated. So just go ahead and tap the Update Now button in here, and in order for us to proceed. So I'm just going to do this one real quick. Okay, here you go. So now once that you have updated your account, you should be able to see something like this. I'm just going to head over and click the create wallet button right here and then verify this one. So as you can see down here, wallet is being created. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and verify this one with a passkey. So I'm going to click this one over here. If it's not available, then you can just go ahead and use Authenticator app, which you have linked here in your account. So I'm going to go ahead and do that one real quick. All right, and now that we have done that one, we're also going to have to do the same thing for the email. So I'm going to tap the email here, and then we're just going to go ahead and add the verification sent to our mobile phone, or sent to our email rather. All right, there you go. So after doing that one, you can see that now we have created our own wallet in here. This is again our Web3 wallet, everybody. And that is how you are going to create Binance Web3 wallet.